Imagine a country so broke, people were eating tree bark, while their king lived in a golden palace. Welcome to France in the late 1700s. The rich clergy and nobility paid zero taxes, while peasants carried the burden. Add in bad harvests, sky-high bread prices, and royal overspending, and France was a ticking time bomb. Boom. 1789. The people had enough. They stormed the Bastille on July 14th, now France's national holiday. This kicked off the French Revolution, and with it, 10 years of chaos. The revolution wasn't just about politics, it was about completely dismantling society. The people wanted liberty, equality, fraternity, but what they got was a bloodbath. King Louis XVI and Queen Marie Antoinette, beheaded by guillotine in front of cheering crowds. Then came the Reign of Terror, led by Maximilien Robespierre. He promised justice, but delivered mass executions. Over 17,000 people lost their heads, many for just looking suspicious. And get this, even Robespierre was eventually guillotined. The revolution literally ate its own leaders. Fun fact, the metric system, public education, and modern nationalism, all shaped by this revolution. But after a decade of instability in 1799, a military genius named Napoleon Bonaparte seized power in a coup ending the revolution and crowning himself emperor just a few years later. So, to sum it up, they overthrew a king-invented modern politics, started a reign of terror, then replaced it all with an emperor. The French Revolution changed the world, showing that ordinary people could challenge empires. But it also proved that revolutions are messy, unpredictable, and sometimes they eat their own children. Vive la Révolution! Follow for more update.